Hello, hello, sweet friends. Welcome back to the Homecomings podcast. I'm your host, Evelina Olachowska, founder of Studio Domka, my dear brand strategy and design studio where I work with purpose-driven humans to connect them deeper with their truth and help them craft truly aligned personal brands. We are back. We are back today with season 3. Today is not going to be a formal episode, but rather a little quick trailer, a little preview of what's to come in the season. And I just felt really called to hop on today, just do a quick, maybe 3 to 4 minute recording to give you guys a preview of what to expect. There's been a little bit of a hiatus on my end, both in the podcast and on social media, as I have been focusing my energy and my love into my first ever personal branding group program. I launched the Homecomings Incubator. Of course, it's called Homecomings because the theme of my brand and the theme of everything I do at Studio Domka is to bring people back home to themselves. I use home as a metaphor to really represent all that you are. And I feel like a lot of us, if not all of us, in our life journeys tend to stray a little bit too far away from home. And to come back to home really just means coming back to who you intrinsically deep down are at your core. And I love to look at branding through this lens. And I've integrated so much of this philosophy into my process when I work with clients. Who is it that you are? How do we extract those bits and pieces of you? And then how do we imbue those parts and pieces into your personal brand and your business? Just for a little bit of context and background, you absolutely do not have to be a business owner to be tuning into this podcast, especially not for this season. The season's going to be a little different than the previous 2 that I've done before. But just to offer a little bit of a invitation, truly this is for anyone listening who is just looking to come to know themselves a little bit deeper. I'm going to focus exclusively this season on personal branding. It's going to be a little bit of a deviation from the conversations I've had in the first 2 seasons where I have one-to-one connections and really heart to heart, really deep felt heart to hearts with guests, with special humans that I've either worked with, aka my previous clients, or people who just inspire me that I want to connect with and hear more of their story. This season is going to be mostly exclusively just me, yours truly, coming on here to chat with you all and really share wisdom and hopefully a lot of inspiration around what it means to craft a personal brand. And it's really coming off of the heels of this group program that I had just wrapped up. And the inspiration for this season is really a chunking down, a breaking down of what the Homecoming Incubator was all about. 10 weeks, which I'm going to try to translate into 10 episodes, giving everyone a little bit of a sneak peek and a preview of my process and taking you deeper along the journey of what it means to really craft a personal brand. Everyone has a personal brand, whether you are a full-time mom or a full-time accountant working for a corporate job. You have a personal brand, and that is reflected in all that you are. It's in your buying decisions. What brands are you supporting? What kind of music do you listen to? What activities do you like to do? What kind of personality do you inherently have? I think we need to maybe demystify the stigma a little bit around the fact that like a personal brand is only something that you have when you launch a business. And I think there's so much of this hype and conversation these days around people focusing their energy on like, what is my personal brand when they go to start a business? But what is your personal brand like now, today, regardless of who you are and where you are at? Because people know you. When people connect with you, they know your essence. They have this energy about you. They have these impressions of you. And that is inherently in all that you are. And so the more that we get clear on those parts and pieces of ourselves, and the more that we give ourselves permission to show up from that place, the more that we can show up confidently, the more that we can show up just in more fulfillment and authentic alignment with who we are. And especially if you do have a business and you are looking to lead with what you do, with your services, your offerings, your product, how beautiful is it if that personal brand, which it ultimately always is, it's an extension of you, reflects more of who you are, because that's where we start to clear up all those messy divides and indecisions and confusions around like, okay, this brand doesn't really reflect who I am, or like it just nothing feels cohesive, or you're not excited about what you're doing, and et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. We're going to dive into all of that stuff in this season. We're going to look at what makes a personal brand, why getting personal is super, super, super important. I'm going to take you guys through a really deep dive of my intimate process of looking at things like who's in your industry, how do you connect with your core target audience, what does it mean to actually seek out someone who is authentically aligned for you to support you in your business and your personal branding journey if you do not have a business yet, or don't even ever seek to have one but just are looking and tuning in to get inspired. We're going to dive into all of that. So I'm deeply grateful for you all to be tuning in, to be listening. This one's going to be really chock full of intangible, or rather tangible takeaways and invaluable insights that I hope will leave the collective inspired. And just to offer a little sneak peek and preview, because we are going to be really dissecting the homecoming group. For those interested, for those curious, for those really wanting to know more and understand deeper around my process and potentially work together, I'm going to be opening doors for the next round of the homecoming group program in September. So in the show notes, I'm going to drop a link. If you are at all called or curious, there's just a simple waitlist form. Just drop your email and your name, and you're going to be added to that waitlist to stay up to date on all the latest updates and more information on when the next program is going to drop. So, episode 1 is coming next week on Tuesday. And for the next 10 weeks, stay tuned as we drip out in Homecoming's fashion 10 episodes to really round out the season. This one focused exclusively all on the beauty that is personal branding. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I will see you guys next week.